In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn off the camera flash on your Samsung phone. The camera flash can be quite useful in low-light situations, but there may be times when you don't want it to go off. Whether you're taking pictures discreetly or simply prefer natural lighting, I've got you covered. To get started, open up the camera app on your Samsung phone, and then at the top left, you'll see this lightning bolt icon. So that icon is the flashlight icon. Just tap on it. And it will show you these three different options. To turn off the camera flash on your Samsung phone, simply tap on the icon on the left. And now that you've successfully turned off the flashlight on your Samsung phone, the flash won't go off when you take a photo. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.